swear to you, Anna, I didn't screw up the warrant for the wiretap. You were there. You saw me write it up.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Recently, for many reasons. I could use someone to talk to about it. And we could grab a quick bite before you head back.
A quick bite?
I've had a lot on my plate recently. I'll try to compartmentalize and keep it all under control. I've been feeling overwhelmed. Like things are starting to get away from me. Like Sabrina's death, for instance, I didn't see that coming.